So here we are, and here is how you can clean our dryer vent today. So this is an extension cord I got this Everbuilt dryer vent cleaner, and as you see, I've attached the two rods. I have a drill which is electric. That's why I need the extension cord. If you have like a battery operated drill, you may not need the cord. This is my attic. I should turn on the lights. The attic, and then I am up. You can't see from here, but now you can see. So that pipe at the end that you see, like between these two pipes, center one is the pipe for my attic. I already disconnected it. It's like the vent from the dryer going to the attic and to the roof. So I don't want to go onto the roof, so that's why I'm cleaning it from inside. So let's get to it.